Let's take a little walk around the yard here at Charter Trucks. There's a big variety of inventory right now. We got some full maintenance lease returns. Got nice late model low mile sleeper here. What's hiding back here? Ooh, look at that cab and chassis with an extra cab. You could load up all your guys in it and go to work. Got some dump trucks. Ooh, nice little selection of 2-axle day cabs over here. What's hiding back here? Ooh, nice little service truck. Look at that thing's fully outfitted there. We got a little water truck. Ooh, another water truck. Oh, there's some more late model 2-axles hiding over here. Oh man, look at that shiny tank. Oh, what do we got? Oh man, look at this big old thing. Big crane truck. Ooh, there's more back here. Some more water trucks. Another crane truck, knuckle booms. Oh. Got some equipment trailers over here. Oh, there's a few of them. Got a little 16 tire, 44 ton hiding back there. We got some lightweight double bottoms with some pneumatics sitting there next to them. Oh, here's more stuff coming in. It's all getting CTC tested right now for you. Oh, this thing's getting all polished up, ready to go. What do we got down here? Some more trailers. Ooh, those are some nice late model trailers right there. That Brazo and then that walking floor trailer. More knuckle booms. Got a good variety and selection of some reefer trucks as well. Some box vans. Yeah, we got a good variety of vocational trucks right now. Look at this little section over here. Look at that flatbed crew cab there. You can load up your whole work crew and get that flatbed unloaded pretty quick. We got some nice late model sleepers. Then for some reason, this little group right here seems to be everybody's favorites right now. I don't know if it's the manual transmissions or those dual stacks. They're pretty popular. So yeah, there's quite a bit of inventory at Charter Trucks right now. We got a good variety to select from. Give us a call.